Today's recipe is fruit explosion muffins. Okay, we're going to add some sugar to our flour. Some baking powder. And some salt. And we're going to whisk this all together. Now this recipe, you can use any kind of berries. It's a basic recipe. It makes many different types of muffins. Now in a 1 cup measuring cup, we're going to have our oil, and then we're going to add our egg, and then we're going to fill up to the 1 cup line with milk. So make sure you have a container that at least holds 1 cup. We'll stir that together. And then we'll add our vanilla. And we'll incorporate that in. And then we're going to add this to our flour. Now we're going to stir this up. And you don't want to over stir, otherwise the muffins will become dense. So just stir it until all the flour has disappeared. You have a few flour streaks, that's okay. Now we're going to add our berries. I'm going to toss the berries with some flour so they don't sink in our muffins. I have blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. But as I said, you can use any types of berries you have. And we're going to fold that into our muffins. You could use frozen berries as well. Again, just toss it with some flour so they doesn't sink. Now we'll just put it in our spray tin, filling it up. Sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top. And then we're going to put these in the oven at 400 degrees for around 17 minutes. And let them cool for about 5 minutes before taking them out. Please comment below and I'll respond to all your comments. If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.